All right. What do we have here? We have Optic, B-ball, you know, after Mason beat Maryland, they haven't won a game since.
Oh my gosh.
They play ODU on Saturday.
What happened? How does that happen?
They're not that good, I guess. Hello, Allison. Hello, Carlos. Welcome to Wawa Breaks. We're ripping some basketball today. Let us know what teams you got. I am your host for today's show. You can call me Great Scott. Because I want to be pulling you some fire. Optic Donruss basketball. Got 2020, 21 Chronicles basketball. Some of the hottest rookies right now in the NBA are on. They're on fire. Ant-Man's on fire. LaMelo's on fire. I don't know what teams you got, but you got one of them. We pull some numbered cards or an auto. Hey, baby. Carlos, you got. Oh, nice. 76ers. That's my squad. Suns, Rockets, and Nuggets. Nice. Hopefully we get you some fire, Carlos.
Edwards had 25 tonight.
Edwards at 25. Nice.
LaMelo 36. 36, 5 and 9.
LaMelo is
8 3-pointers.
very good.
8 for 15 from threes.
He is the best of his brothers. I will say that.
Did your boys play? Oh,
We did. We lost by one. We suck. Sixers are terrible. It's Ben Simmons' fault, right?
They need to let Maxey score 30.
What's going on, Joshua? Oh, you want some Joker, huh?
Joker.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get started here.
Yeah, we start unpacking.
Yeah. We're gonna start with the Optic. We got a full Cello box for you. There's a lot of cards in this, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them out of the packaging, and then we'll separate them and rip them. How's that sound? Sound good?
Cole Anthony came back, 24 points, 8 boards, 7 assists. Let's go.
Take them out of these. You know, as much as I feel like Optic can be a little boring this year, the Cello packs are my favorite to open because there's just so much variations. You know?
Yep.
You got a chance at huge cards. Yeah.
I
I wish they did numbered cards. I guess they get signatures on those numbers. It's very, very rare to get them.
Yeah, you have to tape.
Yeah.
Number to 25 though.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. It's just hard to get them. But these cellos are fun.
You get the mini bonus packs.
Yeah. The blue Velocity looks fresh. Fresh. All right. Almost ready here. Come on. Stop messing with me here. Get out of there. Jeez Louise.
Gavin's got Golden State, but he got outbid on the Suns.
Oh, no. The Suns. My wife is in Phoenix right now, and she saw the Pistons at her hotel room. I told her to go find Cade Cunningham and try to get an autograph. All right. You guys know the deal here. We got 12 packs. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6. We'll start with those, and then we end with the blue velocity packs. There's 3 in each of those. I will put these back here for now. We'll start with the regular packs. All right. Good luck, everybody.
Played ball with D-Book.
You played ball with D-Book? My goodness, did you play at Duke? All right. Calamari. Kennard.
High school.
Oh, high school, nice. Porter. Millsap. Damian Lillard. Aaron Gordon. Luka on the purple prism. Fast lane.
Take it.
Donovan Mitchell, my house. Jamal Murray. Nuggets. Rated rookie. Portland Trailblazers, CJ Ellaby, and Precious Achua. All right. Could be better. Not the worst. Could be better. All right. Kemba. John Wall. Christian Wood. Wendell Carter. Bertans. Levine. Kobe. Purple winner stays. Kyrie Irving. LeBron James, T-minus 3-2-1. Little base.
Lift off.
T-minus, not lift off. Another Donovan Mitchell. We got Trey Jones and Kyrie Lewis Jr.
Who had the Jazz?
I don't know. Who had the Jazz? All right, we got a silver in this one. All right, Jeremy Grant, RJ Barrett, JoJo, John Collins, purple, Blake Griffin, Zion, T-minus 3-2-1. Hey, Tyler Bay, Dallas Mavericks, a little silver hollow action, looks real nice. Pistons, Isaiah Stewart, and Peyton Pritchard for the Celtics, nice. All right, next pack. JJ, Randall, Bagley, Rudy Gay, Eric Gordon, Devin Booker, LeBron James, purple, my house. Wow, color match and everything. Very nice. There you go, Lakers. JoJo, 3-2-1. Tyler Bay up here for now. Russ Westbrook, my house. Kongwu. And another Piston, we got Saban Lee. Nice. That was my house. Looks sweet for the song right there. That was a cool card. Got another silver coming up in this one. Michael Bridges. Devonta Graham. Oladipo. Levert. Blake Griffin. Van Vliet. Drew Holiday. We got Josh Jackson. Purple. Jamal Murray for the Nuggets. T-minus. Rudy Gobert for the Utah Jazz. Silver. Wrong Hornet. Vernon Carey Jr. And another Piston. Killian Hayes.
Right, we pulled a pink my house one night.
Oh, did you?
Devin Booker, number 25.
Wow. Very cool. Brandon Ingram. Jaren Jackson. Kevin Knox. Mitchell. Tobias Harris. Andre Drummond. Purple. John Wall. Express Lane. Kyrie. Winner stays Kyrie. There we go. Patrick Williams for the Bulls. Jordan Nwora for the Bucks. And Aaron Naismith for the Celtics. All right, Tyler Hero. Anthony Davis, Mitchell Robinson. We got a silver coming up. DeMontis, Ja Morant. Silver, Nikola Jokic, my house. There you go. Denver Nuggets. Josh wanted that. Who wanted that? The Joker. Kawhi Leonard. Hey, to go with your purple, you got a base, my house. LeBron James, nice. Jamias Ramsey. Sadiq Bey. A little pack dust on that one. We'll get that buffed out for you. Sadiq Bey, Pistons. And Malachi Flynn for the Raptors. And there's silver in this pack. Steven Adams. Dort. Bam. Love. Garland. We got points. We'll raffle off those points at the end there. 400 points. Man, that's a bummer because that would have been an auto. But hey, we'll raffle off those points. Utah Jazz, silver. Stockton, Jazz starting to clean up over here. John Morant, Express Lane, base. Dwayne Wade, winner stays. We got Desmond Bain, Isaac Okoro, and Josh Green, base. Right. John Wall, Christian Wood, Wendell Carter Jr., Baca, Vucevic, Elfrid Payton, Gordon Hayward. For the Sixers, you got a Purple Prism Seth Curry, Larry Bird, rated rookie, silver, Isaac Okoro going out to the Cavs. There you go, Cavs. Nice. Naismith and Robert Woodard. All right, Brooke Lopez, Bogdanovich, Eric Pascal, Jeremy Grant, Derrick Rose, Jarrett Culliver, and Chris Middleton. Purple Prism Splash. We got another Zion, T-, another Joker, My House. Theo for the Wizards, Denny, and for the Kings, Jamias Ramsey. All right. Rui, Melo, Porzingis, Hardaway, Ben Simmons, Bum, Andrew Wiggins, Purple Prism, Dwayne Wade, Express Lane,
Still playing?
My House, Kawhi, Giannis, Antetokounmpo, Air Defense, nice, that's a cool insert. Another Tyler Bay, Devin Vassell for the Spurs, there you go, and Skylar Mays. All right. There's a silver in this one too. Julius Randle, Bagley, Clark, Lowry, Millsap, Lillard, Aaron Gordon. Rated rookie, Devin Vassell. Sorry, hold on, drop some base cards here. The pile was getting too big. There you go. Devin Vassell is definitely a little cut off center, I would say. There you go, Spurs. Got Isaiah Thomas, and then a silver is Valanciunas, Grizzlies, CJ Ellaby, and Precious Achiuwa. All right, now to the good stuff here. Now to the blue velocity. Let's get some LaMelo, Ant-Man, Maxey. We're the big guys. Where the big guys at? Let's get them up there. All right, Steven Adams, Dort, and Siakam. Come on, where are the rated rookies here? Kevin Love, Jimmy Butler, Ben Simmons. I think this one's got a rated rookie at least. Trae Young, blue velocity. Garland, rated rookie. Oh boy. Oh boy. Blue velocity. Anthony Edwards. Very nicely centered. Top to bottom looks good. What a hit. There you go. Wolves. Very nice. Anthony Edwards. We were asking for him, waiting for him. Nice hit. There you go, Wolves. There you go, Wolves. All right, Cam Reddish, CJ McCollum, and Josh Okogie. All right, we got another rated rookie on deck here. Let's put it. Sorry, LeBron, you got to move over a little bit. Get Ant-Man up there. All right. DeAndre Ayton. Andrew Wiggins, rated rookie. Alexei Pokusevski for the Thunder. There you go. Nice hit. Nice hit. All right. Harrison Barnes. Malcolm Brogdon. Rated rookie is Devin Dotson for the Bulls. All right. Kevin Huter. Michael Porter Jr. Rated rookie, Trey Jones for the Spurs. Oh boy. Moving everything out of the way here. All right. Next pack. Yusuf. Trey Young. Buddy Hield. Jamal Murray. Joe Ingles. Rated rookie is Nico Mannion. Not Wiseman. Come on. These packs can be a pain when there's only a few in there.
Alex asked if we got any Halliburton.
We have not got any Halliburton, unfortunately, buddy. Sorry, but we still got some packs. Keldon Johnson, DiVincenzo, and Cody Zeller. All right, 2 packs. Kevin Love, Jimmy Butler, and DeAndre Ayton. All right. Giannis. There you go. Bucks. Luka. There you go. Mavericks. And Yusuf Nurkic again. Nice. All right. That's it for the Optic. I'm going to take these down because we're going to move over to Chronicles now. All right. Some of these out of the way. All right. NBA Chronicles coming up here now. Or Chronicles basketball, however you want to say it. All right. There's 2 autos in here. Bunch of numbered cards. So this is a fun product because every pack has a different set of cards in it. I'm sure you bought into it, you know what's in here, but pretty cool. You're looking for that Gala insert numbered card. You got more than 20 different sets in this product. There's six packs, I believe. So we'll go ahead and get started here. All right. Pack 1. Let's go. Let's get some big hits. All right. Got Patrick Williams for the Bulls. Got Ben Simmons, Chronicles. James Wiseman, there you go, Warriors. Luminance, nice. We got a numbered quickly, 15 out of 49. 15 out of 49, Emmanuel Quickly, Luminance, purple, nice. Next card. That is strange. We have John Wall. Just a regular old Prism John Wall. Maybe because he was on the Wizards before. They just updated it. All right. Silver. Sadiq Bey. Crusade. Nice. Nice hit there, Pistons. Marquee. Here's a Halliburton for you. There you go. Tyrese Halliburton. And another James Wiseman. That's the XR. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Next pack. All right. Obi Toppin on the Panini Threads. Got Zach LaVine base Chronicles. Got a Nico Mannion Warriors. Cole Anthony, Panini. LeBron James on the Hometown Heroes. Nice. It's Crusade, Facundo Campazzo for the Nuggets. RJ Hampton for the Magic on Essentials. Ooh, Devin Vassell, numbered marquee, 46 out of 99. Marquee Devin Vassell, blue. Very nice. Awesome. Some more cards up here. All right, next pack. See some LaMelo, Ant-Man. All right, we got Wiseman, Prestige, Donovan Mitchell. Got Mason Jones, rated rookie Donruss for the Sixers. We got a numbered Killian Hayes. We got 99 out of 249. That is Majestic. Nice. A little thicker card there. Majestic. Here's a Halliburton for you. Tyrese Halliburton, honors for the Kings. There you go. And we got an auto here. Xavier Sneed going out to the Charlotte Hornets. 59 out of 199. Hometown Heroes. There you go, Hornets. Rookie card there. Xavier Sneed.
Not the Hornet we wanted.
Not the Hornet that we wanted, but an auto nonetheless. All right, Kyra Lewis, Marquee. And to finish this off, we got a Steph Curry in the Oakland throwback. XR. Nice. All right, next pack. All right, Theo Maledon. Got a Joker. An Isaac Okura Luminance. Got a numbered blue 56 out of 99 for the Bucks. That's Chris Middleton. We got a Phoenix Chrome Patrick Williams. Nice. Ooh, we got a Red Crusade going out to the Warriors. Nico Mannion. That is numbered. That is 28 out of 149. Going out to the Warriors. Nico. LeBron up there. Halliburton's. All right. We got Essentials, Naismith, and a Luka Essentials. Nice. Going out to the Mavericks there. All right, 2 packs. Still chasing an auto. Still chasing the big guys. We got some good ones in Halliburton and Wiseman. We need some LaMelo, some other nice ones. All right, Denny. Got Russell Westbrook on the Wizards. Isaac Okoro for the Cavs on Playbooks. Another Nico Mannion, Golden State. There you go. Anthony Edwards, Rookie and Stars, Crusade. Nice. Jashawn Tate, the Hometown Heroes. Marquis Ben Simmons. And Isaac Okoro, XR. All right. Last pack here. Looks like we got a little thicker card here. Maybe it's an RPA, maybe. All right. Hold on a sec. Put that down. All right. Russell Westbrook. Kyle Lowry. Achua. I think. Ooh. Oh. Limited. Zion Williamson. 75 out of 75. Going out to the New Orleans Pelicans. That's like a red foil limited. Very nice hit there. Awesome. Awesome card. We got a Luka for the Mavs. A little Phoenix action. And we have an auto behind that. So let me put that down here. We got Desmond Bane and Tyrese Maxey. Going out to the Sixers. Nice. Tyrese Maxey. All right, let's check out this last auto. right. So down. Hometown hero again. James Wiseman. 44 out of 99. There you go. Golden State. It's a Wiseman box. Very nice. 44 out of 99. Hometown Heroes, Golden State Warriors. Very nice card. Look at that. Awesome. Very nice. All right. Let's wrap that up here. We'll go ahead and do a quick recap. A lot of cards to go over here. All right. We got, for the Hornets, Xavier Sneed out of 199 auto. Hometown Heroes. Wiseman. XR. Emmanuel Quickly. Purple foil out of 49. Halliburton. Panini Honors. Hometown Heroes. LeBron James. A silver Sadiq Bey Crusade. We got Halliburton Marquee. A blue out of 99 Devin Vassell. We have 75 out of 75 red foil limited Zion Williamson. Nico Mannion Golden State. That is out of 149 on the Crusade. Chris Middleton out of 99. We got Trae Young, Luka, Blue Velocities, Giannis. We got Patrick Williams, rated rookie. Pukacheski, rated rookie. Luka Doncic, blue parallel, or I'm sorry, purple prism on Express Lane. Devin Vassell, purple prism. Anthony Edwards, blue velocity. Nice. Silver Tyler Bay. Purple and silver My Houses of Joker and LeBron. Silver Isaac Okura and James Wiseman auto out of 99 Hometown Heroes. Awesome. All right, that was fun. Great rip, everybody. Appreciate everybody's time, and we'll get these cards out to you. All right, have a good night.